today in our 17025 ISO certified laboratory. This is where we make and manufacture our corrosion coupons that help to diagnose your air quality in your environment. We also design and manufacture very unique media to help with harmful and corrosive gases. This is our manufacturing plant where we source the highest quality of raw materials. And they're stored right behind me. We produce each and every pellet, and we perform quality assurance testing on every single batch, packing this to your specifications for on-time arrival, and ship that all around the world. We make every on-guard unit that monitors your environment 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We perform media life analysis testing to ensure that your scrubber is operating as it should. From start to finish, we do it all right here in Doraville, Georgia. This just isn't Purafil headquarters, it's Clean Air headquarters.